In honor and remembrance of late Bull N. Lingdo 26th death anniversary, who was the former president of the Khasi Students' Union, had on the 7th of November 2020 held an inauguration wherein family members as well as Malcolm Taryang, former members of the union and along with the current president Lambok Star Marngar, partake in the said honorary event. It may be mentioned that late Bull N. Lingdo was a decorated leader of the Khasi movement and his untimely death was a void, yet in his honor the struggle for justice still ignites. With the ceremony, there was also a traditional poetry competition in various categories of different age group to which winners were distributed with prizes.
Jong kaseng KSU. Bat hadin ilong kumu presiden jong kaseng. Kawai kaba ngelaban ong bahak ki sa ki mati jungi haduk ini kesengi pementang. Kadai kajing IT met ban mensiem ban pengklanya ke KSU. Ban penrung ya kini kajing jong kajat benriu. Hakitit ki jauh. Hakitit senam ki jauh jungi hakawai pukui ke kentot jong ka sorselong hakawai pukui ka kentot jong kari Khasi jantia be jungi bat ka jingli tur jong babul hot ko porlengen jong pi mdan pisasya bon basuya contribute na di hendian sat kan bayo don ki parlok parjor ki basuya ai basngu e te hendre hapdeng kita ki jinge bor khai ngampat ji unu nongelam jong ka seng ki isu lain ni di pemerintah ke uban litur kumbal litur ibabul wat ngi ngimla ra ngimla ban ya bun ngila ban bud din tang tak tu kat ni ndri teng dia don tang ar nguru le la galet bet teng da dei tang ngarwe ru le la galet kham hajan ti kalong ke ka ba kenuksa ka ba kalong kenuksa ka bu babul u ai hangi bat upene hangiru aparthai galaya chama bon ki jingkala te hendrei hapadeng gini ki jingkala ki babon nisqa banong ipi ba kanam kakerteng kejong babul kayai yang rasong kam kala bat kanum yai kala ngit ya kata karong kekentin ngiong hakatin Khasi im kakerteng sa kanam bat ubabul hi lopen imi kerteng jungu pun sa kanam jungu nagbenta ki kam ki bolole nagbenta ka jing prat lenti jungu ban pengklanya ka seng Khasi Students Union amtang hangni hari Khasi jantia handai shadu kiwi ki unit sru ki badon haki kapot jong ni gari Khasi jantia jungi
maka jengat nanti jong KSU pan syakri ya kari bekejat penriu berkoi hakba atun rusnan manswa ni samla unang yalam barat ba jong KSU ulak khabrat le jong khmat bat lolen no nasla jong partai rekapan kemau yang ai ko kentien ko bong kiru sulur kim juyap kikam jong ki im bat ki keren priu nak kebai kapateng syakwai pat kapateng
Logari, Logari, Insan, KSU, Insan, KSU, Insan, KSU.
Macam kau keri.